Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explain how to upgrade your ability of data processing in ArcGIS in 3 steps. The first step is batch processing. If you use different communication tools to compare the methods, knowing the first step is crucial, as it ensures you are heading towards your destination. If you understand the batch processing, it's like having a bicycle to a destination, which will get you there faster. Batch processing is relatively simple to use. You just need to right-click on the tool, and there is a Batch option available. You can use this processing function. For example, if you want to clip data, you might have a study area where the data includes elevation data, temperature data, land data. You can use the batch processing function to handle the data. Of course, if you need to project multiple layers, you can also use the processing function. This is the simplest way to improve data processing efficiency. The second step is to use models. If you have a model, it's like you're traveling to another place. But instead of using a bicycle, you're driving a car. Your processing speed and efficiency will significantly improve. The requirements for creating models aren't very high. You just need to understand the basic functions of the tools you're using, how to use them, and how to set the parameters. The rest is basically a straightforward process. With a model, you can automate tasks like processing all the data in a workspace or folder. You no longer need to manually input the names of each file. Besides improving processing efficiency, another benefit is that you create a workflow which you can share with others. For example, if you're performing a complex calculation, such as, and you find a mistake in the result, you can go back to the previous step to check. You just need to modify the model, adjust the data parameters, and then click Run. Without using a model, you'd have to manually perform each step. Of course, the efficiency of data processing can be further improved. ArcGIS primarily uses Python to process data. However, the difficulty of scripting increases slightly. You'll need some basic knowledge of Python. But with greater control over your data, you can handle it more flexibly. You can also call other Python functions, which will support even more advanced operations. If you master this step, your ability to process geographic data will greatly improve. If you're not familiar with these 3 steps, you can watch the video tutorial to learn some new concepts. Which methods are you using now? Feel free to leave a comment below. I will provide the links to the 3 methods to the video below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.